Brazil's participation in international fora like this one strengthens DPI domestically and abroad. This action fosters transformative exchanges, connects countries, reduces costs, and promotes joint development. We are proud to join the 15.5 campaign.
But that's a great pleasure to join the community and to share experience and learning within a vibrant community. Deeply believe that we are speaking and we are building the future of the digital revolution.
The digital identity, digital payment system, as well as data exchange will be an open source platforms that will provide us with a flexible, secure, and cost-effective foundation to scale digital services across the country, ensuring all Basotho can engage with the digital economy and access to public service seamlessly.
Since we have already invested the resources to build up some tools for digital government services, we should be able to share it in a way that enables our colleagues to also adopt these same tools in a low-code or no-code manner, and in a way that doesn't require them to reinvent or put aside so much resources, because the number of things that we have on our plates is just so wide that the more we are able to be efficient in doing so, the better.
Ukraine has quite an experience that we are willing to share with the world. Our knowledge, expertise, and best solutions as open source digital public goods.
And so what DPI provides us with is the opportunity to open the box, it's no longer a black box, and to actually tweak few things and adapt it to what we want, and that's the first step.